Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best micro USB female cable for DIY projects, replacement repairs, and custom setups. It's none other than the short micro USB female 2-pin bare wire cable from Maixbomr. If you've been struggling to find a reliable micro USB connector for power-only applications, this 4-pack set might just be the perfect solution you've been looking for. This product is a micro USB female to bare wire pigtail power cable, designed specifically for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a compact and efficient power connection. Measuring just 30 centimeters or about 11.8 inches in length, it features a micro USB female connector on one end, and two pre-tinned open wires, red for positive and black for negative, on the other. Rated at 22 Aruban florins and capable of carrying 5 volts at 3A, this is more than enough for most low-power USB devices. It's important to note that this cable is strictly for power transmission, not for data transfer. The cable is built with high-quality materials. The outer insulation is made from durable PVC, offering double-layer protection to prevent short circuits and wear over time. Inside, it uses pure copper wiring which ensures excellent conductivity and minimal power loss. The tail ends are already tinned, making soldering quick and effortless. This is a huge advantage for anyone working on repairs or custom electronics, where clean and efficient soldering can make or break the job. Installing this cable couldn't be easier. Thanks to the pre-tinned wires, you can quickly connect it to your power supply, screw terminals, or circuit board without needing to do any wire prep yourself. The connection is stable and resistant to loosening, which is great for maintaining reliable performance over time. Whether you're powering an LED strip, a USB fan, a desktop lamp, or even a small microcontroller board, this cable lets you keep things tidy and professional. This cable is widely compatible with 5 volts, 3A micro USB powered devices. Think about bedside lamps, USB charging stations, LED belts, or even DIY panels. All of these can benefit from a reliable power source. It's particularly useful when the original cable fails or when you need to embed a power source into a tight spot where traditional cables won't fit. The 30 cm length is perfect for compact setups where excess cable length is a hassle. So there you have it. The Maixbomr short micro USB female 2-pin bare wire cable is a compact, durable, and highly functional tool for anyone working with micro USB powered devices. It's easy to install, built to last, and delivers reliable performance where it counts. If you're doing any kind of USB powered DIY work, this cable is a must-have in your toolkit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've used this cable before or have questions. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.